10-minute tutorial. Hey! I am repurposing this mixed media canvas into something fresh and pretty. Let's do it. That's my husband's love letter, one of them right there. Why not just take it off? So I'm gonna try. I've got my putty knife here to... All right, let's see. There you go. Let's see what it does. Oh, so I took this little heart off. And I'm gonna paint these flowers and you know what that's from? My light fell on my face the other day. So this was a mixed media canvas and I ripped off a couple of those things and then left the flowers were a raised stencil. I'm using a palette knife here, but you can use a brush if you're more comfortable with that or have never used a palette knife. Tiny. Can you see that? Now they're in my Amazon shop. So if you want to buy some deco. Okay, to be honest, I think that I was trying to paint highlights here with white, which is fine, but it's been over a year since I painted this. You'll see when I start the heart, I guess I'm trying to make it a flower. This, I don't know what this is. I'm just being honest. It looks like highlights, but look what I'm doing. I don't understand that. I would recommend not putting those on there.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl.
Way prettier than it was. And I appreciate you guys watching, as always. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.
Take me back.